Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I make lots of videos here like blogs, hauls, reviews, and also there are lots of different types of videos I make. So if you like my video, you might check out my channel. There are lots of other videos too here on my channel, but yeah, if you like it, you might subscribe. It means a lot and it's totally free. Okay, so by the title you all know that today's video is a haul. Again, it's a try on haul by this company called Noracora. I already did one video with this company and literally I love their outfit. And if you missed out my last haul video, I did a try on. Okay, so yeah, if you didn't watch, I will leave it somewhere in this video. And literally this company's outfits are literally awesome and the quality of the material is just too good. Okay, so all the details about this website will be linked below in the description box. You may go check out yourself and you might find something nice for yourself. There are a huge variety to choose from. Like the dresses are just so pretty, and like when I go on their website and like literally I'm so confused which one to choose. So yeah, I literally chose some of the beautiful clothes which you can see there. This is just a cardigan, long, literally good for winter and autumn time, also for spring, and we are in spring at the moment, so sometimes it's cold, so it's really nice. And literally you can wear with pants, dress, or anything. I was wearing a dress, so literally it's so nice and so comfy. This is the material, literally nice, and like it's so comfy. Love it. Okay, so this is the second cardigan, and it has two pockets, as you can see on the side. This is the material. It's beautiful. It comes with a hoodie, as you can see. Literally so pretty. Like it, and you can pair it up with anything you like. Like you can just like wear with the pants, and it's really good for fall. Okay, so let's see this dress now, and I can't describe how beautiful this dress is. Literally so pretty, and like the fitting is amazing, and it also has two pockets. And the color combination is so good, and like literally I love it. And like there is not much light in this room because today it's raining, and that's why I'm just in this room with these two lights on, and that dresser light is on too. So yeah, only this much light I have in this room at the moment, but like literally I'm in love with this dress. It's just so pretty. Okay, so this is the next maxi dress, and literally it's in the color blue green, as you can see. It's really pretty. Love the design, and like it's fully covered, and literally the material is so comfy. Well, it's literally very comfy. Love it, and I'm in love with this one. And like this one is so nice for like spring, summertime, and like it's literally sometimes very hot where I live here. So yeah, it's really nice and it's so comfy. Okay, so this is the last dress I have, and it has this slit here on the right side. It's really pretty. Wow, It's my favorite. Oh my gosh, it's my favorite. Love the neck and the shoulder. It's really pretty and like it's nicely covered too. And you can see the back, literally pretty, and you can wear a nice bra with this halter neck bra. I love the pleats here, and it's pretty maxi dress, and literally it's really long, and you can wear a high heel with this. Okay, so this is it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also like this video and leave a comment below. And if you want to check the website out, you may go to the description box down below. You can open the description box. There will be links and everything about this website and all the clothes I'm wearing, and literally there are lots of varieties to choose from on their website. And yeah, I just love everything I got from this website, NARACORA, and literally I love it, and the quality of all the outfits are really good too. And one more thing I wanted to tell you all, that it comes with a tag too. You can see NARACORA tag. Okay, you can see this is NARACORA brand, and literally it's very luxury looking outfits. Their customer service is really good too, and also like I'm going to share like lots of videos on TikTok and also on Instagram Reels too, and lots of pictures too. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye.